Hello everyone, welcome to Ali Foundation 247. Subscribe my channel Ali Foundation and click on bell icon to get every latest new update. Don't skip this video, watch it till end. Practice makes a man perfect. So without wasting time, let's start. Today's first question: Who was the chairman of the Union Power Committee of Constituent Assembly in India? The right answer will be option D. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, what was the basis for constituting the Constituent Assembly of India? Right answer will be option B. The Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Next, the Constitution of India was adopted on. Right answer will be option C. 26th November 1949. Next, who presided over the first meeting of the Indian Constituent Assembly? Right answer will be option B. Sachinananda Sinha. Next, who among the following was the advisor to the drafting committee of Constituent Assembly? Right answer will be option D. B. N. Rao. Next, the Constituent Assembly of India started functioning from. Right answer will be option A. 9th December 1946. Next, who among the following had moved the objective resolution which formed the basis of the preamble of the Constitution of India in the Constituent Assembly on December 13, 1946? Right answer D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, who among the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly? Right answer option C. Joy Prakash Narayan. Next, the the Constitution of India was completed on right answer option B. November 26, 1949. Next, how many sessions of the Indian Constituent Assembly were conducted for the formulation of Indian Constitution? Right answer option B. 11. Next, the first day session of Indian Constituent Assembly was chaired by right answer option D. Dr. Sachinananda Sinha. Next, how many how much time the Constituent Assembly took to frame the Constitution of India? Right answer option B. 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Next, the Constituent Assembly set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on right answer option D. 29th August 1947. Next, who was the chairman of the Provincial Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Right answer option D. Sardar Patel. Next, the number of members included in the Constitution Drafting Committee was option A 7. Next, the first session of the Constitutional Assembly was held on right answer option B. December 9, 1946. Next, who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Right answer option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, who was the president of the Constituent Assembly of Independent India? Right answer option B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next, deferment of adult franchise for 15 years was advocated in Constituent Assembly by right answer option C. Maulana Azad. Next, members of constituent assembly were. Right answer option A. Elected by provincial assemblies. Next, who amongst the following was the chairperson of the drafting committee set up by the Constituent Assembly? Right answer option C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next, during which of the following periods did the Constituent Assembly deliberate upon the and finalize the Constitution of India? Right answer option C. December 1946 to November 1949. Next, how many members were initially there in the Constituent Assembly of India? Right answer option A. 300. Next, who among the following was the chairman of the Union Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Right answer option C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.